Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Chat GPT. So if you are beginner and you want to learn how to use Chat GPT, so this is the perfect video for you. So whether you are a student or video creator, Chat GPT will help you everything. So now what you have to do, first of all, you have to go to the website chat.openai.com. Okay, now you have to go to the chat.openai.com, and there you will see like this. Now if you haven't signed up, you have to sign up and verify your email here, but I have signed up already, so now I'm going to log in on my account. Okay, so I'm going to sign up here. Now I'm not robot. Now click on continue. Now I have to enter a password here. Okay, now after that you will see like this. Okay, now I'm going to say never. Okay, now here you will see this is free research preview. Our goal is to set external feedback in order to improve our systems. Okay, and click on next, and done. Now here you can type any article, okay, like this, or any question. You can ask any question to Chat GPT. As I want to ask, write an essay on AI. Okay, like this. So now you will see that you will have to wait for few seconds. Okay, and now it will uh, read your answer, your question, and according to your question it will give you answer. So like this you can use it. You can use it in many purposes. You can, if you want to learn, if you want to make a Chat GPT to write a code or type a code for you. Okay, now you will see like this is an simulation human intelligence process by computer system. These processes include learning the ability to improve your information based on, so it will write that like this, all the what according to your question it will write the answer. Okay, you can also type here, write an essay. Now here I'm going to click on stop generating on essay on cow at least 250 words. Okay, like this. So you will see that it will wait for a few seconds, and you will see like this. So if you are a student, it is very beneficial for you chat uti chat gtp. Okay, so like this you can all use this chat gpt in your laptop. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.